Hello everyone, I am Jessalyn Bartolome. I am the presenter of Group 10. Describe clientele of social work. Okay, the contents of this is motivation, discussion, jumble word, and activity. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. By Helen Keller. For me, ibig sabihin nito, kung mag-isa ka, yes, makakagawa ka ng maganda. Pero kapag may unity o kapag madami kayo, mas maganda yung kalalabasan. Kaya dapat minsan ay huwag natin sinasarili. Kumbaga, kung kaya naman gawin ng karamihan o ng marami, bakit hindi tayo magtulungan? So what is clientele? Clientele is a bunch of people. Karaniwan itong ginagamit sa trabaho. Ginagamit nila ang word na clientele kesa gamitin ang word na client or customers. Social work is a profession that helps people improve their daily lives by addressing challenges they face. Social workers help people cope with everyday issues, relationship, and family problems. They also advocate for social justice and human rights. What is the primary mission of the social work profession? This is to enhance human well-being and help meet basic and complex needs of all people. Purpose of social work is to improve the well-being of people and communities by helping them meet their needs and overcome challenges. What are the goals of social work? Some of goals here is hindi ko na po sila explain kasi parang common sense din naman na po sila. Like madali lang po silang intindihin. Improve well-being. Social worker help people improve their quality of life and cope with everyday stress. Advocate for human rights. Social worker advocate for social justice and human rights, and they work to create conditions that support communities in need. A social worker is a professional who help people, families, and communities address challenges in their daily lives. What is the role of social worker? 1. Promote social welfare. Number 2. help people from all backgrounds overcome the individual challenges they are facing, and last is advocate for social and economic justice for members of diverse communities. Sino nga ba yung mga tinutulungan ng mga social workers? Una, yung individuals struggling with addiction. Ito yung mga addict sa droga or pwede din sa alcohol. Pangalawa is yung mga estudyante. Siguro, mga nasa high school or elementary, ganun, junior, yung may mga problems sila doon. Individuals with mental health concerns. Ito yung mga may depression or anxieties. That's the end of our discussion. Now let's start the activity time. Number 1, what is social worker? And number 2, what is social work? What is the similarities between social worker and social work? What is the differences between social worker and social work? Number 5, what is clientele? Number 6, why should we need to study social work? Number 7, give at least one goal of social work. Number 8, in your own understanding, what is social work? Number 9, in your own understanding, what is social worker? And last number, in your own understanding, what is clientele?